Hi, welcome back. We all know what is a sequence and a series. A succession of numbers or objects in a definite order according to a certain given rule is called a sequence. That means a definite order should be there for the particular set of numbers. Alright. Now, the sum of the terms of a sequence, sum of terms of the sequence is called as a series. We have already seen. These are called as a series. Here in this video, we'll be discuss about some special series. The very first series is the sum of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. I am represented by capital N. That is, your Sn will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. So, this particular series we can write it as n into n plus 1 the whole divided by 2. Next series is about the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. I repeat, sum of squares of first n natural numbers. That means your Sn will be equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square to n square. How can we write it as this Sn? This Sn can be written as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 the whole divided by 6. And the third series is nothing but we need to know what will be the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. Cubes of, I repeat, cubes of first n natural numbers. So your Sn will be what? We can write it as in numbers 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Alright, and this Sn can be written mathematically n into n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4. Let us solve a question for better understanding based on these sum of series. Let's solve a question. The question is, find the sum of n terms of a series, and the series is given by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5, etc. So, the given series, this particular series, we can write it in other way. That is, what will be the nth term? Our nth term will be nothing but in terms of mathematical representation, we can write it as n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Alright, because 1 into 2 into 3, that is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So, this can again be written as taking the n inside, n square plus n into n plus 2. Alright, now again multiplying inside, we get it as n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. So, we got the nth term as n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. Now, our question is to find the sum of the n term. That means we need to find Sn, right? Sn is equal to summation k equal to 1 to n a k. Substitute the value of ak, we get it as summation k equal to 1 to n. What is our ak? That is k cube plus, replace n by k, 3k square plus 2k. Now, taking the summation inside, we get it as summation k equal to 1 to n k cube plus 3 into summation k equal to 1 to n k square plus 2 into summation k equal to 1 to n k. Now, what is this term? This is nothing but the sum of cubes of first and natural numbers. Now, what is this? This is a sum of squares of first and natural numbers of a series. And the last term, what is this? This is the sum of first and natural numbers. So, apply the equation and solve it to find out the answer. So we need to find Sn, that is substituting the value for each term. We get the first term is sum of cubes. So the equation is n into n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4 plus second term is sum of square. So the equation is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 the whole divided by 6 plus last term is sum of first and natural numbers. So n into n plus 1 by 2. Cancelling 2 to 3. Here we get 2. Now what is common? We can take n into n plus 1 by 2 as common. Now what is left here? N into n plus 1 by 2 plus here what we left is 2n plus 1 and here what is left? 2, because n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2 we get it as n into n plus 1. This can be again written as taking the 2 inside. So n into n plus 1 by 2, taking the LCM we get n into n plus 1 into 2 into 2n plus 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 the whole divided by 2, and we get it as n into n plus 1 by 4 into n square plus n plus 4n plus 6, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 4 into this term will become n square plus 5n plus 6. Now again n into n plus 1 by 4 into this term we can split it as n plus 2 into n plus 3. Alright, so the final equation is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 the whole divided by 4, and this is the required Sn for the question 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5, etc. So we have mainly learned about the three series. The first one is Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, which is given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is a sum of a series of first and natural numbers. Second, we learn about the sum of squares of first and natural numbers, which is given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 the whole divided by 6, and the last we learn about sum of cubes of the first and natural numbers, and the equation is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4.
Manorama Horizon, learning made simple.